Welcome to Spot and Reveal. Today, we're diving into the world of speed, luxury, and legacy with 10 fascinating facts about Ferrari. Stick around because some of these might surprise even the biggest car enthusiasts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Let's get started. Number 1. Ferrari was founded in 1939 by Enzo Ferrari, but it wasn't until 1947 that the first Ferrari badged car, the 125S, hit the roads. It marked the start of a legendary journey. Number 2. The prancing horse logo was inspired by World War I fighter pilot Francesco Baracca, whose family gifted the emblem to Enzo Ferrari. It symbolizes power, courage, and speed. Number 3. Ferrari is the most successful team in Formula One history, with over 240 wins and 16 Constructors' Championships. Their passion for racing is unmatched. Number 4. Ferrari limits production to maintain exclusivity. They produce around 15,000 cars annually, ensuring every Ferrari feels as special as it looks. Number 5. Ferrari offers endless customization options through their tailor-made program. From custom colors to unique materials, no two Ferraris have to be the same. Number 6. The roar of a Ferrari engine is unmistakable. Engineers spend countless hours fine-tuning the sound to give each model its signature growl. Number 7. The Ferrari F40, launched in 1987, was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari. It's widely considered one of the greatest supercars ever made. Number 8. Ferrari isn't just about tradition, they embrace innovation too. The LaFerrari combines a V12 engine with hybrid technology for insane performance and efficiency. Number 9. Buying a Ferrari isn't as simple as walking into a dealership. Owners must follow strict rules, including restrictions on reselling certain models too soon. Last but not least, number 10. Ferraris dominate car auctions, with the 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO selling for a jaw-dropping $48.4 million in 2018, the most expensive car ever sold. Ferrari isn't just a car brand, it's a lifestyle, a legacy, and a dream for millions. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spot and Reveal for more awesome content. See you next time.